Hello everyone, I'm Afro or Quinn with Gladiator Airsoft, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the M56AL pump action triple shot shotgun by Double Eagle that I got from Amazon for $50. Um, I've already cut off the box and all of the straps holding it in, so it's going to be quite an experience. Comes with a little chart, the regular don't shoot people, yeah, all that stuff. I'm directly going against the chart because I am probably going to go and take this to an airsoft fair. It's pretty nice of Double Eagle. Send you a nice little sling or something or other. Nope, it's a sling. Yeah, so I actually got a double point sling. Guess I didn't really need to get that. Classic speed loader, bag of BBs, and put these over here. And it comes with a shell. Not really. Here, yeah. Put the BBs in here. The shells hold 30 shots each. But since it's a tri-shot shotgun, that's actually only 10 shots each. And now for the gun. It's got these little, it's a nice weight. It's got a safety switch down there. Nice sight. It's a bit hard to pump. There we go. Little release down here. Pops open that, and that's where you put the shell in. Yep. And then just pop that open. So yeah. So far the only bad thing I see about this is it's a very hard pump, but I'm sure I'll get used to it after a while. It's got a very nice sturdy stock made out of plastic. Can't remember what it said, but the barrel or something was made of metal. This is made of a very nice, not really sure what it is. It's gotta be a plastic of some sort, but the handle is very good grip. Barrel cleaning rod, probably gonna be very useful for a pump action shotgun like this. That's probably gonna be it. From that, from Amazon, I also got 6 extra shells. Oh, half are black, half are red. The one that came with it is red though. But these are all made and produced by Double Eagle also. They're all the same type. They've got a nice little golden spray on the tip that makes it look like an actual shell. So that's nice. I also got a cute little shell holder that I can put on the butt of my shotgun. And that should be very useful for airsoft wars. Yeah, we're probably gonna go airsofting this Sunday, so that should be very nice. Yippee, you get the poppers. Woo! This one's made by Mossy Oak. I actually didn't know that. That's very good. I love Mossy Oak. Yeah. So, if possible, I'll probably release a review on this shotgun after I use it this Sunday. Hopefully this will fit around the butt. Actually, probably go on this side. I am just making quite a mess of things. So yeah, this is the Double Eagle M56AL shotgun. I'll give a picture to Reaper or Christian or whatever you want to call him. And he'll probably throw this in at the end of the video. Hint, hint. Yeah, so that's basically it. Hopefully this has better lighting than my P90 unboxing video, because that was a total bust. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.